Hello and welcome to Biker Bushcraft. As all of you who've been following my channel know, I typically carry a couple of different water containers. This one is my drinking canteen, carry it everywhere, fill it with drinking water. It's not big enough for long-term storage, but it works for regulating how much water I'm drinking and something to carry with me if I'm doing a little bit of hiking or exploring. Now, for my longer term water storage, when I'm going camping, I bring this. This is 64 ounces. And it works, but it takes up way too much space in my saddlebag. There's just never a good place to store this. I started searching for another solution, and online what I was looking for were the canvas desert style water bags, the old school stuff, because I think they're cool. And I found some, but they're about 50 bucks a piece, and that really seemed a little bit too much to me for what they were. This is my solution. This is the Touratech water bag. And these bags, 4 liters, so over a gallon each. They fit on top of my saddlebags, don't hang off, they strap on really easy. They have a great lid. I've had this on now for a few hundred miles. I've had no leaks. I've just been testing it out to see how it would do. I've been running in the snow and off-road with it, no issues, don't even know it's on the bike. It's got 3 tops, the large one that threads on for filling, a smaller one that you can use for loosening this up and pouring it into the water bottle or into your cook pot, and then it has a flip up that you can use for drinking. I've never really liked those myself, but a lot of people are used to them and prefer them. In addition, it has, for an additional $3.95, a little shower head that goes on here, and this allows you to use this as a sun shower. Hang it from a tree with this on and you're all set. So this is a pretty versatile piece of equipment, and as all of you know, my rule is for any piece of equipment or any tool, it should perform more than one function. This, again, is the 4-liter version. This is $26.95, which I think is a fantastic price. They also have a 10-liter version, which is $32.95. So that's almost 3 gallons of water for $32.95. That version is a little bit bigger. It wouldn't fit where I wanted to put it, so for my bike, the 4-liter is ideal. I have 2 of these, one on each saddlebag. That gives me plenty of capacity to go out for a weekend, for 2-3 days out in the desert. If there's no water source, I don't have to worry about it. I'm bringing in plenty of water for cooking, for washing, for drinking. So there it is, the Touratech water transport bag. I purchased this at touratech-usa.com. Very, very happy with it. This is an awesome product, and I would highly recommend it. Again, you can get the 4-liter version or the 10-liter. Personally, the 4-liter works best for me. I hope you enjoyed this gear review, and if you have any questions, please post them in the comments section. I will post a link to Touratech USA in the description. Thank you for watching.